Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Namal Fashion. How are you all? I hope you are all fine, doing well and you're in the best condition of health. Dear friends, I will show you a stylish and beautiful office wear, casual wear, stylish romper dresses designs ideas, beautiful color combination dresses. Friends, all dresses are very awesome. Friends, I hope you like my video. All dresses for women, ladies and girls. Office wear, skinny pencil skirt, top collection, gorgeous women office wear, cute and beautiful casual dresses, new style dresses, different color designs, trending new style dresses, fashion outfits ideas for girls and women's ultra gorgeous most demanding dresses. Dresses for new designs. Friends, I hope you like my video, all the designs. Friends, please like my video, share my video, all family members, relatives. It's a new channel. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. I request you and press the bell icon. Friend, amazing luxury dresses, designs, ideas, formal wear, simple, very stunning, decent frocks, slim dresses designs, affordable latest dress collection 2023-2024. I hope you like it, all the designs, all the variety, all the ideas. Friends, please help support me. Subscribe my YouTube channel Namal Fashion and like my video, share my video. Friends, all designs are very beautiful, look gorgeous. Friends, I hope you like my all designs. Friends, goodbye, see you soon.